let's start with your name and score for the record.
So I am Vidita Thameja and I got a score of 107.75 in CLAT 2026.
And that must have seriously disappointed you, right?
Yeah.
You have this reputation of never being satisfied with anything. You always want that little extra. Okay, let's now go back to the beginning. And when did you just get this idea that, look, I want to take up the law?
After 10th grade, I started doing a lot of Model United Nations. And I used to do a particular committee, which is All India Political Parties Meet.
Okay.
And after that, I got this sense in me that I love politics, and somehow law seemed like a reasonable had a rational nexus to it. So I was drawn towards law, and I looked up, career counseling videos and all, and I found that law was going to be the one thing I liked.
First day you walked into the CL Center and started off the journey. Remember that?
Yeah, I actually remember that. I was actually pretty intimidated because people seemed very well prepared and I did not prepare before coming here. I had no clue, and people were like, oh, we're reading this book. We know so much in logics, we know syllogisms. I heard the word syllogisms the first day I entered into the coaching. So I was actually also intimidated, but I was also very motivated, which is what you get from, interacting with the competition, that people are preparing so much, now it's time to be serious. So the first day itself I was like, okay, I need to be serious from today.
Some of these outside class smaller group discussions where we looked at, okay, what do you need to do to raise the score, how do you manage the time, which order, how do we learn and analyze from mistakes, talk about those sessions.
So the doubt solving and mentorship sessions are always the best. So in fact, when I used to have a ton of legal doubts, many. Every day I used to have some 5 legal doubts. So the first time I went for doubt solving, I had this whole document of 40 pages, and I showed it to Animesh, and I'm like, please solve this all 40 pages of documents, and we actually got it done. And that day I came back feeling really happy with myself that now that backlog is not there. So from then I got a habit of actually noting down my doubts in a book. So that helped me not repeat the mistakes I'm making, because eventually you're going to forget if you just look through it. So you need to actually actively brute force it out of your brain. If you're making a particular logical fallacy, you have to brute force it out of your brain. So doubt sessions and mentorship sessions helped me a lot that way.
So let me put your curveball here, Techno, right?
Yeah.
So me and Animesh on separate criminal cases need bail. Who's bail are going to process first?
That depends on the crime, which is more interesting.
See, violent crimes, no. Crime against women, no. So it may be something like, black tickets or stuff, like financial stuff or something like that.
I don't know, but it would probably also depend on the circumstances. I will always go with the one that's more challenging, I feel. I like a challenge.
Wonderful. And someday we want to see you as a minister, CM, and who knows.
Yeah, hopefully.
Thank you.